Business Aajkal presents The Sumit Kumar Show.
Hello and welcome to Business Aajkal. You are watching a very special episodes on whether the net is really safe for our data or not. Believe me, my friends, whatever data whoever is putting on internet is always vulnerable for some kind of hacking. Whatever data you place, whether you place your data on, let's say you are creating a free Facebook account, and there you are thinking that okay, no problem, I have just email ID, I have given the information of my college and where I come from, and remaining everything is, it's okay. I mean, now the Facebook has no idea who exactly the persons I am. But my friend, believe me, whatever data you have put on Facebook's, the Facebook platform using your data on their WhatsApp, on their Instagram. Let's say, have you ever realized that whenever you speak to your friend, you talk to your friend on certain issues, let's say you are talking about, I am looking for a loan, but I am not eligible, or maybe you are discussing with your friends or your close family member. Suddenly, after cutting the phone, when you cut the phone and you just go to search something on your mobile or maybe on your desktop, and you are finding the same kind of advertisements, let's say where the bank is placing an ad that we are providing the loan on, let's say 7.5 will be the charges, 8.5 will be the charges, there will be the interest rate will be very minimal. Let's say we have a home loan of 5.7. So there are a lot of things you will find. Why that is really happening with you? Somebody is blaming, okay, Facebook is manipulating the data. Every platforms which is being run by AI, which is the artificial driven, these all platforms, right from YouTube to everywhere, you will find that their excuse is we are run by algorithm. Algorithm decides whether to push this video or not, whether this ad should be shown on that particular categories or not. So everything is driven by artificial intelligence. In the world of artificial intelligence, no data is safe. And people are thinking, okay, I have given the X number of data, then the platform cannot manipulate. Let me give you the different anecdotes. Have you realized whenever you visit certain places, let's say some tourist destinations, or maybe some kind of hospitals, or maybe some doctor clinic you have visited, or any places, you will find next 3 to 4 days, you will find same kind of ad, I mean the places which you have visited. So what happened with the AI, it's not just AI has done the profiling, a kind of profiling, and that this profile is going to run for a, let's say, certain period of times, 2 years, 3 years. No, AI is keep updating your interest. So let's say your interest and taste change in 2 months, you will find the different kind of ads and different kind of thing. If you change your venue, let's say you are staying in some metro cities in Delhi and now you shifted to Mumbai, you will find very localized and personalized ad based on the demography and the places you are living. So a lot of thing is happening on the internet. If you think I will close, I will stop permissions, I will stop my cookies, and then YouTube is not going to show me an ad. No, my friends. Even though you delete your cookies, even though you change your privacy setting, but you are being constantly tracked by this social media platform. Not just the Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, even your Android device, it's highly manipulated. If you are using the Android phone, most of the time you will find that something you clicking the ad, but 3-4 seconds you will find the ad, then the real search engine things is coming. Let's say if you are clicked some app or something, it's completely it's on your screen. So we are living in a world where we are being, it's like somebody is monitoring our activities 24/7 every day. So what's the solutions? If you are saying, okay, I will change my phone device, is this going to be solutions? No. If you are using Android and you are thinking, I will go to iOS, no tracking, no. Even though whichever platform you use, it's every platform is manipulated. Every platform is manipulated. And what is the solutions? There is no solutions. If you want to be active, your data is going to be tracked. There is no solutions at all. Solution is only, let's say if you are not using the internet mobile phone, you are not using internet even on your desktop, then that is the solutions. But can you run a business without that? Can you run your social profile without using the internet? Not possible. If you are using any form of internet, whether on your iPad, iPhone, Android devices, anywhere, you are being constantly tracked and your data is not safe. Even mine is not safe, yours is not safe. So whoever is claiming, okay, I will protect my data, even the banks, the most of the fraud happen, I'm using a very harsh word, it's fraud. Most of the credit card data is being sold by somebody from the government, somebody who is working in the banking sector. They sell all the HNI data to the marketeer who is looking to target their personalized ad. It's available. If you are thinking, okay, my bank account is linked with some other mobile number, no one can trace. No, your data is being already shared, not just with your bank but thousands of the people. So there is nothing called data secrecy nowadays. And if you think, okay, I will not connect my mobile with my banking, then your bank is not going to open your account. Now they will say, then your account is not safe. Whenever you withdraw some kind of money, there is going to be an OTP or maybe some payment link on your mobile phone, how much amount has been withdrawn through your ATM. So nothing is safe, whether it's the banking, whether your personalized informations, everything can be manipulated and is constantly being manipulated. Only thing is, earlier people are not aware that this thing is happening with them. Now people are a little bit more conscious about their data and privacy. And is there any solutions to protect yourself, protect the country like India? No, there is no solutions. We've been traced. We are being constantly monitored, not just in government agencies. If somebody is blaming that government agencies constantly, tracking the public activities or some, anti-national activities happening and the government agency is tracking them, no. Even the private agency is tracking you and you don't know. The biggest tracking is happening through Facebook, Instagram, your Android device, your iOS device. Every platform is being, you can say that even though you are paying, let's say earlier there was a question, if I am paying something, then I will not going to see any kind of ad. But even though you are going to pay, you are being monitored. So let me give you an example of Amazon Prime services. Have you realized how many times you just watch some kind of shows on Amazon Prime, and then you go on your mobile device and you search something and you are finding some kind of ad. Why this kind of show I have just seen on my Amazon, and Amazon is not sharing my data, but whenever I'm using my desktop, laptop, iPad, iPhones, there I'm finding the similar kind of ad. So this is how, even though you are using the different platform, you are thinking this platform is not using your data. It's interconnected world, and interconnected, they are constantly monitoring your interest, and based on your interest they are showing the ads. It's not just based on interest, based on your interest they are tracking your activities, and then they are showing you the ads. And so that's all for today editions. I will be coming out many more my views on the different issues, right from finance to IT to investment. Keep watching and keep subscribe Business Aajkal. I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.